Hi there, Brian Teague, Product Line Manager for SENKO Advanced Components. On this video segment, we want to talk to you about a new inspection scope system we have called the Smart Probe 2. Now the Smart Probe 2 is a Wi-Fi inspection scope that you use to see your fiber optic connectors. It works for all devices that run on iOS as well as Android. You can get the apps at the Google Play Store or at the Apple App Store. Now, the way this works, it's quite simple. You just put your tip on and we're going to do an inspection, but one of the nice features about this thing too is it has an LED light. So this is kind of helpful if you're working into a panel that's dark or into an area where you can't see. So having the light on there is actually a cool little feature. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to look and inspect an LC connector. So after I put my tip on, what I'll do is I want to make sure it gets in focus. You're just turning this dial here to get it into focus. Once you have it in focus, there's two ways to activate the inspection software. The first one is I can either press the button or I can go onto my device and press the triangle on the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'll press our button. Let's get it in focus. And what this software is doing is it's inspecting to the IEC 613-00335 inspection criteria that's listed for their pass-fail for visual inspection. It'll go through not only looking at contamination, but also help you if you're looking to try to identify the end faces to see if a scratch or maybe a small pit is going to cause a problem with the optical performance. The nice thing about this is once we have the end face inspected, we can come in here and there's features where it actually creates a PDF report that prints everything out for you to document the performance. You can go in and you can see the cable ID and serial number if you enter that in. An image of the actual end face with and without the inspection onlays. A table here that lists all the different contact zones and what's in it if there was a defect or a scratch, as well as there's also a section for entering notes. So if you have additional things that you want to make people aware of that will go back and read the report, you have that ability to do it. The inspection is giving you up to 400 power, so you're seeing a good high resolution image of the contact zone, and it's a very simple tool to use. The tool actually has a 5-hour battery life and it takes a little less than 2 hours to charge from zero. If you're in the field and you have to use the scope more than 5 hours, one of the nice things you can do is use one of your cell phone batteries with the USB cord and just attach it and continue to go.